If you own any device in the Pixel 10 series and you're needing to access Fastboot Mode, then I can show you a really easy way of rebooting into that special boot mode. To begin, we simply need to bring up the power menu and then we restart the device. But while the phone is in the middle of the reboot cycle, begin to press and hold that volume down button and continue holding this button down until you see the Fastboot Mode menu appear on the screen. It can take some time. We just want to continue holding that button down until you see this screen here. Now from here, you'll be forced to use the hardware buttons on the side to navigate through this menu, since the touchscreen is not going to be usable in Fastboot Mode on the Google Pixel 10 series. But when you're done, you just want to make sure that the Start option is highlighted up here, and then we press the power button to select it. And as long as the file system is not modified in a way that makes Android unbootable, then you'll be taken back to the lock screen, where you can unlock the phone and use it like you normally would. And you can see, it doesn't matter if you have the stock version of Android on the phone or a custom version like Graphene OS. You'll be taken right back to that lock screen. As always, please use the comment section below if you ran into any issues following this guide. Just please remember to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel too for more Google Pixel 10 tips like this.